Would you like to get rid of your greedy utility company that always wants your hard-earned money?
Did you know that most utility companies go up 4.5% per year on average?
Also, the average household will pay $20,000 to $100,000 for power over 20 years. And after that, what do you have to show for it? Absolutely nothing. Would you like to find out how solar eliminates all these problems?
Just click the link in the description to see what you can save. Find out if solar makes sense for your home or not. Put all that money you pay to your utility company to something that brings you value, something you can see.
And put all that savings to something better, such as your children's education, retirement, or whatever makes you happy.
Stop investing in your utility company's business and making their shareholders happy. Put that money to your shareholders. Just click the link in the description to see all the benefits of solar for your family and what you can save.